Moka and I are in downtown Battle Creek, and we're about ready to explore an annual event that's held here. Hasn't been held in 2020. It's the first time in a couple of years they've held it, and it's called Cruise the Gut. So we're just going to walk around and show you. It's a classic car event. A lot of cool things happening here today. So come along and join us. Cruise the Gut is an annual event in downtown Battle Creek, usually held in August. They didn't hold it in 2020, well, because we all know what happened in 2020. But the event features classic cars parking around town and cruising down Michigan Avenue. It's a combination of a parade atmosphere with an outdoor street party in summertime. It's more than just a car show. It's a celebration of Americana that brings people together, young and old, from all over to enjoy the summer weather and dine at local restaurants and connect with the past. It's a wonderful event where people bring out their hidden treasures of history, stored in barns and garages and driveways from all over Michigan, and share them with everyone for a few hours. People bring out their lawn chairs, ice chests, and kick back and relax and escape down memory lane. By far, it's one of my favorite events in downtown Battle Creek. So whether you want to walk around or just sit back and enjoy the spectacle of beautiful cars and enjoy the company of others, this event is quite special in that it's outdoors, it's in downtown, it's also near the river. It gets you to engage with local businesses and restaurants, and it's just a good way to showcase how special downtown Battle Creek really is and how much they've come along in terms of opening up new restaurants and businesses in the last few years. They've done a lot of streetscaping, and it's just a really good atmosphere to see people out and enjoying the downtown on a summer night. While I was walking around filming at Cruise the Gut, I, of course, had Moka with me, and she engages a lot of people, and people draw over to her to pet her and enjoy, the positive energy that she seems to radiate. But at the same time, during the few hours I was there, I had a lot of folks come and approach me that have been followers of my channel, which is really quite humbling because I do these projects to bring people's attention to local history and events happening around Battle Creek, and just to showcase the rich history of the area, as well as the wonderful assets that we have in our community, as well as Southwest Michigan. I don't think our corner of the state gets enough attention as it should, and it is a great place to visit and explore. And I don't do this channel for personal self-promotion. I do this for the community, and it's something that I enjoy doing and more of a hobby for me, but it's something that I feel that I can create a positive impact on the area and make people proud of the place that they live, and also connect people by sharing with them things that they might discover and explore if they went looking. It gives people new information about the community, especially new people moving into the area. And I've had a tremendous amount of feedback from people following my channel or discovering my channel and watching some of my videos, and they're learning about the area as well as things to do, and they feel that they're better connected, and that's the responses I'm getting. And I really do appreciate it when people do approach me when I'm out filming, and it's always quite humbling to know that people are following your channel and enjoying your content. So I did want to take a moment and say a special thank you to the people that did approach me. There was about 4 or 5 different sets of individuals that came up to me during the day, and I wasn't expecting that, and it's quite flattering that they enjoy my content and really appreciate it enough to come up and want to shake my hand and thank me for the time that I put into these projects, and it encourages me to continue. So that being said, I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this segment on Cruise the Gut, just following it with some music, and I hope you will enjoy and explore this event next year when it comes around, and certainly explore the events that happen in downtown. And do take some time to support the local businesses and restaurants downtown. They do a wonderful job of keeping that district really interesting and exciting and a great place to visit. So please show them some support, especially after the rough year they all had in 2020. And thanks for watching my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and hit me a like button on this video. And let's listen to some music and enjoy some classic cars.
I was watching
was Cruise the Gut, and we had a good time. Almost lost my voice. I met so many people today. Fabulous event for downtown Battle Creek. Glad to see all the people out. Beautiful weather. So definitely put this on your list if you missed it this year. Put it on your list for next year. It's a great downtown event. It's totally free. Just walk around and meet some people. So I had a great time here at Cruise the Gut. We're wrapping up for today. If you liked today's video, please leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.